You're listening to WING. I'm Kufu with your news and weather. Today's forecast calls for some high winds in the east. Some mist coming in. Something is brewing and about to begin. Can't put my finger on what lies in store, but I fear what's to happen all happened before. That's some very specific weather. Now for today's top story.
Come on, guys! Come on, Speck. I don't know why I let you talk me into this.
They invited us, Foul Owl. If we get the seasonal gig in Florida, it'll be good publicity for WING.
Plus, if all else fails, free trip to Orlando, right?
Guess I can't argue with that.
As a hen with rooster tendencies,
So
I
long,
get a lot
Mr.
of
Chicker.
flack.
Dylan, next time you see me, I'll be tikied and tan.
All right.
What now?
Come on, Foul Owl. Franny?
Well, Luckily.
Foul Owl, you said you turned in our time off forms to Mr. Chicker. We have to be in Florida tomorrow.
And that's my cue to exit.
Hey, wait! Y'all have radio shows to do. I'm the boss. When I say you work, you better get to work.
They're not coming back.
That doesn't sound good. Ugh, I thought we'd never get out of that jungle cruise. The puns, the jokes.
But hey, we got to see the back side of water. Look! There it is!
Hey!
Oh, goody.
The Enchanted Tiki Room, the home of my fellow tropical fowl.
Authentic Polynesian in Orlando, Florida.
Well, it was nice of the Tiki Birds to invite us to audition. Well, I can see us migrating here for a season or so. No, it's too hot.
Ah, come on, Speck. This'll be fun. The flock from Bird Call meets the Enchanted Tiki Room. Although, didn't they change the management? I didn't hear great things.
No, they swapped back to their original management. Now, come on, let's go.
Oh, my.
You feathered imbeciles make me want to toss my crackers.
Excuse me?
You'll never make it in the tiki room. They're brutal.
Okay.
Uncle, just, come on.
Don't say old Gil didn't warn you.
Okay.
Trust me.
Okay.
Hope you can face rejection.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but until they fix the Yeti, we don't have the budget to sign another vulture to Splash Mountain. Thank you for your time. There's nothing I can do. Nothing. Sorry.
Oh, they're here.
Aloha, and thank you for flying in.
Thanks for having us.
Of course.
I'm Fulton, your casting director. So glad you could make it. Having fun, little guy.
No, still hot.
Oh, well, fun fact. The Tiki Room was one of the first places in the park to have air conditioning in California. My cousin Michael saw your work on Bird Call and thought you could join our Tiki family.
Whoa! Your cousin is Michael? The Michael McCaw? Could you get me an autograph?
Distant cousin, we're not that close, don't bother me. So is this everyone for today?
Where's Foul Owl?
Yeah, where on earth am I? Oh.
It seems our friend Foul Owl is running a little late.
Ugh, sorry. We're on a tight schedule. We've got kids coming in for the Small World auditions after this.
But I thought the kids in Small World were animatronics.
Let's get started.
Well,
okay.
Nice.
Right this way.
It's back from Bird Call for Tiki Room auditions.
I'm auditioning for the Tiki Room Flowers.
Yeah, we're good on flowers. I thought you understood that we were auditioning birds.
I think I'm stronger as a flower.
I don't think so.
I think so.
I think no.
But I'm a pretty, pretty flower.
Oh, precious.
So can I be a flower?
No.
Francis from Bird Call for Tiki Room Auditions.
Francis, what's the white coat for?
I'm trying out to be one of the showgirls.
Mhm.
You see?
Yes.
I've got the white coat on.
Yes.
Gives me that white plumage look.
Yeah.
Now, let's all sing like the birds sing.
No.
Cheep, a cheep, a cheep, cheep, cheep.
No.
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 Luckle Ducklebird from Bird Call for Tiki Room Auditions.
All right, Luckle, what you got for us?
Well, Fulton, I think you're gonna love it. Wow!
Yeah. No, not another fire.
I'm here. Sorry for my tardiness. I got a little lost. And now then, my audition began. 77 years ago, our feathered friend.
What are you doing?
I'm auditioning for the Hall of Presidents.
That's not what these auditions are for.
Oh,
This is
I
for
must
the
have read the wrong call sheet. Just a
Mr.
second.
Owl, wait.
Kesmo from Bird Call for Tiki Room Auditions.
Are you gonna do anything?
I'm doing it.
What?
Eat me some of this fine pineapple soft serve.
Oh. So, you two got any stereotypical accents you could do for us? We love that here.
Absolutely. How about, good eye, Mike. Welcome to the Tiki Room. You should sing Solar. Solar, we can't hear you.
What? That's from the show. Oh my gosh, it's a line from the show. Okay, let me try. I want to tiki in the tiki room. What's that? Yeah, I think that's funny.
Yeah, all right.
What's he doing in here?
All right. Hey. There was
No.
blood on the saddle and blood all around.
That ain't it.
And
Stop.
oh.
First off, why would you think an owl would be in the country bear jamboree?
A new take on the beloved attraction. I could even play Big Owl, but you would call me Big Owl.
No.
Yeah. You get it, right?
Nope.
Yeah, you get it.
Are you finished?
Almost. Ta-da!
Ugh. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Sorry, I didn't realize I was doing my rain dance. Sorry, I get those mixed up. I'm sorry. Do you have flood insurance?
Okay. Here's what you wanted.
Really?
Yo ho, a pirate's life for...
No. You? No. This isn't for the Hall of Presidents, Country Bears, Pirates of the Caribbean.
A Caribbean?
And if you start singing Great Big Beautiful Tomorrow, I'll scratch my eyes out with my own talons. This is for the Enchanted Tiki Room, where the birds sing words and the flowers croon.
In the tiki room.
Oh, well, that's a classic. In the tiki room.
Stop! I'm sorry, but I don't think an owl fits into the tropical theme to our feathered serenades.
No, I see. My apologies.
Fulton? Fowl is, raining.
Fellow, wait! We may have something for you.
Ooh, this is fun. I didn't catch your name, by the way. Oh, I get it. You're staying in character. My apologies. Very professional.
Everyone, the casting list has been released. And we're not casting any of you.
Yeah, but come on. Wasn't this all just a formality?
No. I said we're not casting you. Underlines.
We flew all this way.
That was a pretty little flower.
And we refused to be kicked out by some bitter parrot. Oh, Macaw, what were you again?
Then you have angered the Tiki gods with your poor performances.
What is this, some mating ritual?
Sounds like he's gonna make us all disappear.
That's a line from the show, too!
Oh, no, guys. He may be serious.
This is a bit much.
Who dares defame the Tiki gods? When you mess with Polynesia, the Tiki gods will squeeze ya.
Tiki, no!
Look at him run! I'm not surprised! Bye-bye, birdies!
All right, you can turn the effects off. They're gone. Where's my Flappuccino? Oh, I love my Flappuccino.
In the birdie house, in the birdie house, we all answer to a giant mouse. In the birdie house, in the birdie house, in the birdie house, we all get paid by a giant mouse. In the birdie house. That's actual Hawaiian.